Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is what I eat to stay fit at 46. So here I'm going to be showing you exactly what I ate on this day. And I'm typically doing a strength training workout at around 11 a.m. twice a week. So this is just an example of some of the moves that I do. And I'll have my first meal typically around 1 p.m. So on this day at 1:30, I had a bowl of watermelon, a bowl of cherries, and a bowl of pineapple. So the watermelon and cherries have been local, and I'm getting really good fruit right now. It's been absolutely delicious in Bend, Oregon with the fruit that I'm getting. So started that off at 1:30, nice and hydrating. Great way to start with fruit. Then next up at 3 p.m., I made a smoothie. And the smoothie had 3 dates. It had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. It had a scoop of peanut butter, which is about 1 to 2 tablespoons. It had 1 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of coconut water, had a dash of cinnamon, and I had 4 frozen ripe bananas. Now I actually freeze my bananas with the peel on when they're nice and ripe, and then I thaw them in hot water for about 4 minutes, and then they come right out the peel, and it has a really good consistency. So this smoothie made just over 1 liter. It's delicious, one of my favorites. Try that one out. Then at 6:30, I made a simple salad. It had mixed greens, cucumber, apple, and avocado, and I put some of the sesame ginger dressing on it. This is one of my go-to salads, nice and simple. For dinner, I made a tofu scramble. This was at 7 p.m. I'll share that recipe soon. It's very simple, but the main ingredient is tofu. I had a sweet potato with some hot sauce on there. I had some crackers and prunes as well with it. And the tofu scramble also had some salt, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, and turmeric mixed in. And then for dessert after that, I had a little of this dark chocolate, and that was good to finish it off. So thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipe ideas. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.